Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create calendar in Primavera P6 using version 18.8. The first step is just to click the enterprise toolbar. You click the enterprise toolbar. When you click the enterprise toolbar, you scroll down to calendar. You click on calendar. Now we have three types of calendars. We have the global calendar, we have the resource calendar, we also have the project calendar. Now the global calendar is applicable to all projects, while the resource calendars also have two types of resource calendars. We have the personal resource calendars and the shared resource calendar. Now the personal resource calendar is specific to a particular resource worksheet, whereas the shared resource calendar is used when two resources share same resource calendar. Then we also have the third one, which is the project calendar. The project calendar is created for specific project or is used by a particular project. So and can be used, that calendar can be used by that particular project only. Unlike the global calendar that every project or any project can make use of that calendar. Even resource too can make use of the calendar created in global. That's why it is called global. So now let's quickly do justice. Okay, go to create calendar for global, then resource and project in this video. So the next step here is to click add. If a sample calendar is already highlighted, or you highlight any of these sample calendar, you click add, and it take you to this small dialog calendar box. Then I can still decide to just select the same one, 6x24, or I change it to another calendar. Okay, let's say I change it to 5-day worksheet, or let's say I maintain the 6x24 and I click add. So it doesn't matter whichever one I try to choose. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to type the calendar name. So the calendar I want to create here is 6 working days. So I'm working 6 days in a week. So I'm going to type 6-day worksheet with some holidays. Okay, so this is the newly created calendar, 6-day worksheet. So now the next step is to click modify. Now I have my calendar, I have the total work hours per day and the details work hour per day. So we firstly work on the total work hour per day. Now this color shows, you have the color conversion here with a standard calendar color showing the work days from Monday to Saturday. Then this color shows non-work. So it means you are not working on Sunday. You only work from Monday to Saturday. So if I don't want this Saturday to work, I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. I have different ways of doing that, but the first way or method of doing it is to click the work week. Then you have the work week. Here is showing that you are working 22 hours per day. So I want to change it. I'm not working 22 hours per day. I'm working 8 hours per day. 8 hours per day. 8 hours per day. Okay, now I'm including Saturday to show you that work hour Saturday is also included in the work day. So I click OK. Now alright, see, working on Saturday, what it is, then only Sunday I'm not working. I click OK. Now if you come to detail work hours per day, here click the work week again. Then I'm going to click Monday select Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They are all work hour close, just to cross check and come back here. Okay, so I'm working Monday to Saturday. Now if I don't want to work on Saturday, I'll come here again and click here and change Saturday to 0. Okay, see, each day is 8 hours, then Saturday 0, Sunday 0, which means I'm not working on Saturday and Sunday. See what I have here shows that no work on Saturday and on Sunday. But for this video, I'm working Monday to Saturday. So what I'm going to do here, I'll go back to the work week, then take Saturday to, let's say I'm assuming I'm not working 8 hours on Saturday. Okay, that say I'm working from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. So let's say I'm working 6 hours, or let's say I'm working 7 hours a day. No, 5 hours a day, and click OK. So it shows that this calendar shows that the work week is from Monday to Saturday, but on Saturday when you click on it, it's 5 hours on Saturday for this month of June. Okay, when you do for one month, it is populated to other months. So I'm going to click the top here, leading to January. Same thing applies to other months. So 8 hours from Monday, you got it, 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. When you get to Saturday, it changes to 5 hours. Alright, then Sunday 0 hours because it's a non-work. So this is one way of modifying your calendar. Before I proceed to the next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to now include holidays. So our holiday for January is 1st of January is a non-work, so I'm going to select non-work. So this changes to 0. The work hours now changes to 0 because it's a non-work. Then January, let's move to February. Any holiday February. Okay, move to March. April. Then May, we have May 29. We have the annual over date, non-work. Then we also have Workers' Day, May 1st, into non-work. May 29, non-work. Alright, then we move to June, July, August, September, October 1st, non-work. Let's go back again for June 12th, Democracy Day. June 12th, Democracy Day is a non-work. And go back, September, October 1st, Independence Day, and December, 25th of December is Christmas, non-work. Then 31st of December, non-work. 24th, non-work. 26th, a Boxing Day, non-work. So these are calendar. So then this is for total work hour per day. Then let's go to detail work hours per day. You check this and you come here. Now all this non-work, when highlighted, it shows here that nothing is happening here. No, there's no work here. So but if you click this work, look at it. It means work resume from 30 minutes, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 p.m, 2 p.m, 3 p.m. Okay, that's what it implies. And it's 8 hours. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No break. But now I want to include breaking. The break is 12 to 1, so I change it to non-work. Alright, then it means that there will work here to make it get back to 8 hours per day. Okay, so let's move back to 12. Still, we still maintain our 8 hours. Okay, change it to standard. I don't want to change the color. Okay, now once I change it back, you now remove the public holiday. So what you are going to do now is you are now going to click your work week. You now do for all at the same time. I'm going to select Monday to Saturday. So I'm going to select use my shift key. Select multiple Saturday. Now I do to Friday. Let me do it again. Alright, so do it again. Non-work, then work. Alright, click OK. I still maintain my 8 hours per day. And my Saturday I still maintain my 5 hours per day. Okay, so but I've included break time. But initially there was no break time. Look at it. Now break time. So we're closing by 4 o'clock. Now have our break time here. Okay, so that's how you create your calendar, your project. Now when you are done creating the calendar, you click OK. So I've created a 6-day worksheet calendar. Now to make this calendar a default calendar, I'm going to check this 2 times. Okay, now it changes this 6-day worksheet to the default calendar. So the same way you created this global calendar, you do for resource calendar. Alright, but let's just do this fast. Now, like I said earlier on, that we have personal resource calendar and shared resource calendar. So now to create a personal calendar, you click Add, select a resource I want to create calendar for. Let's say for a machine D10 I had. Okay, this D10 machine. Then you come here and click modify. Now this machine will not work on Saturday. So what I'm going to do for this machine, I'll simply come to work week, okay, and select Saturday. For all Saturday, there's going to be no work. No work, 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 no work. So this is for all Saturdays. I'll click OK. See, so for this particular equipment, it means we are not going to make use of this equipment on Saturday. So it's only available for use from Monday to Friday. So this is the calendar for this resource. So I click OK. Alright, so now then for the shared calendar, you like this, click Add. Now this shared calendar, now I'm going to select a calendar from here again. Let's say I select this, click Add, and I type for, let's say, consultant. Okay, now I've created a calendar for consultant. All right, so now this consultant, now if you want to know, like this one, now if you select this, you click modify, no, not modify, you click use by. tell you the resource that is using it. Let's check Nelly Francis, used by, it shows it's used by Nelly Francis. Okay, Shegun James, used by Shegun James. Now if I assign more than one resource to this particular calendar, when I click used by, it will display the resources, whether 2 or 3, the number of resources that are using or sharing that calendar. Alright, so that's how you create both personal resource calendar and share resource calendar. Now to create project calendar, now you make sure the project you want to create calendar for is open, as you have this project that is open here. So then you check this project, you click add. Now I select standard full-time calendar, add, then I type my calendar. So I'm going to use the name of my project as my calendar, maintenance so this is this calendar. So we come here and modify. Alright, so if I want to maintain this calendar, the formatting of this calendar, I'm going to accept this. If I don't want to accept the formatting of this calendar, I'm going to modify the details. So this is just how simple it is to create calendar, and it's very important for you to create calendar in the course of building your project schedule, because calendar drives the duration of your project. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell below the screen to have access to subsequent videos. Thank you for watching.